I have seen the lark soar high at morn, ere its song up in the blue. I have heard the blackbird pipe its note, the thrush and the linnet too, but there's none of them can sing so sweet, my singing bird, as you. My singing bird as you. Oh, I will climb a high, high hill, and I'll rob a wild bird's nest, and back I'll bring